Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, and anywhere you are. Thank you so much, and welcome. Your boy Keen is here in Canada, and we're here in Brampton. You know, I'm also here with lovely aunt. You know, your aunt Elaine is here. You know, so we're taking the catwalk. You said?
Yeah, the catwalk by the lake.
Okay.
By the pond.
So we're taking a catwalk by the lake, you know, so... Oh.
This is the Humber River.
The Humber?
Humber River.
Oh, Humber River. People don't swim in that?
No.
No way. Not even in the summer?
No, because a lot of birds go down there and people throw things as you
So yes guys, I'm here in Brampton. And everything goes already. I'm close by to anywhere at all. So this is my first day here. Come on, get the sunshine. You know, because you know the weather already. Canada weather. I don't have to say. You know, when it comes on to this time of the year, you know what's it like. You know, but we used to it. We enjoy it same way, you know. So we're making a catwalk. The man that make a catwalk, you know. You know what they call it, catwalk. Okay, so here's the lake. So around here is supposed to be nice in the summer. Imagine the summer now, you come out with a grill. Can you grill around? Can you do your jerk and them things around here as well too?
I think up there, but not here.
Oh, not here. The restricted area. Restricted.
We have a park specially. I'll take it to that. To a few of those parks.
Okay.
So you can see.
So yes guys, so I'm here. I'm definitely gonna experience some places, and especially the main one, the Niagara Falls, a must. That's the name, Saint Tower?
CN.
Oh, CN.
And the trees.
Oh, the trees, yeah. So it's called CN Tower. So the CN Tower, you know, the glass. So I'm walking, literally can see everything beneath my feet. You know, so I'm looking, so if anywhere else you want me to check out while I'm here, you let me know. And you know, I have to link up with my brother as well, the Christmas list. You know, that's a must. You know, so, and I know my excellent families are here saying, Kino, make sure I say Canada, you come, you know. I am here in your place, of course. You know, you don't have to come to Canada. I told you already. So this is a home?
A house.
Okay.
One family.
Nice though.
Yeah, that's all the building.
Oh, nice though. So the family build is different, right?
Barbecue on the
top there, party.
And the walkout basement.
Okay. So that's the family build that, like that?
The builders.
Builders,
all these.
Nice. So this park like a nice park where you can always come and jog and do your running and everything.
No one bothers you.
Nothing at all. No one bothers you. So what's this community like? Is it?
Well, it's mixed. It's an international setting. We have Jamaicans, we have Spanish, Chinese, Indians, and you know. Yeah,
but Indians mostly then, right?
Well, in the last 10 years, we have a lot of Indians coming in as students.
Oh, okay.
Foreign students.
Yes.
The parents can be here and the grandparents, because you know when they bring one, they bring everybody. Yeah.
So we got lots of Jamaicans here in this area.
A few,
not too much. It
used to be more, but what this area was, a lot of white people.
Okay,
But when the white people see the ethnic changing,
yeah, they run away. I can imagine they run away.
yeah.
Them like, no, I am
Yeah.
not staying.
So
I
they
am
move. So
leaving.
right now it's just a mix.
It's
Look
a
how
mix.
nice it is.
Yeah. See
And
the
this-
view? Showing the view.
This is coming from far. The
To where it is
river.
now.
This river
At the river here.
coming from far.
But this is most swimmable. Maybe, it's swimmable in the summer.
No one enter.
But no one enter. No one take that risk.
So nice, beautiful it is.
Yes.
And we have along the way we have garbage bins to put the garbage.
Yeah. But I like this little park, it's a nice walk you can take, literally.
It does it in the morning. People walk their dogs.
Stretch their legs.
And sometimes you see some of the dogs here to run because you think they're a fox.
Cause like this one.
Oh my
This
God.
one look like a fox.
Oh my.
Huskies, right? What's the name of that dog?
Oh, it's a husky.
That's a husky, right?
Oh my God.
How old is he?
By me.
He's 3.
He's 3.
Because
Wow, look at it. Look at
Look
his
at his eyes.
look at his eyes. If I come close, he would. He's
He's a little aggressive.
aggressive.
he's aggressive.
You can see the eyes. Look at his eyes.
And she's always walking in.
Yeah. Why are you being so aggressive?
He's
It's relaxed now. I think you okay, right? Not to be so aggressive. What's his name?
Rocky.
Rocky Balboa. You're a boxer, right? Rocky, take it easy. Okay, Rocky. Rocky don't wanna move.
And there you have the birds.
Yeah.
They come and swim. Anytime in the evening, morning, you see people walking here.
Yeah.
No one hold you up or- as yet. You know what I mean?
Hey, Rocky eyes them
You see
look
a little
away, boy.
Yeah. But he keep watching me. You know this is?
Yeah. Rocky, man. This is a nice little park,
Yes. Yes.
Especially if you have a bicycle, you just ride out this park.
Yes, it will be good for you.
You used to cycle?
No, I've never.
You never?
I did in the summertime, like if I go down to, there's another place they call the island. You got to take a boat to go across
Okay.
down by the harbor front.
Oh.
It's interesting. I rented a bike there once and rode it
Yeah.
and fell off.
Oh, okay. Wow.
The nice big ones are.
Yeah. Nice.
You see?
Yes. Nice. Wow.
And
So-
they're nice ones over across.
This is a nice environment,
Very.
Brampton. So Brampton and Toronto, what's the difference between them?
Toronto, it's a hustling city. A lot of glass houses,
Oh, okay.
apartments, younger generation,
Okay, okay.
because they love living downtown where the action is.
Oh, okay. So that means, guys, I'm going to have to go head downtown
Yeah, you
today.
have to head downtown.
I'm going to head downtown. Listen, I'm
And
here.
the other thing
I'm going to be
is
solo
entertainment.
downtown.
Yeah, a lot of entertainment.
Yeah.
We do have it on the outskirts, but
Okay. Yeah.
they, need action.
Yeah. I also have a friend that's downtown as well too.
Get in touch with them.
Yeah. She already contacted me already.
Yeah,
So I'm
you
literally
see
going
that. Yeah.
to meet her up as well too.
Yeah.
It's the experience to go downtown side.
Well, we'll get
know?
to work on that. So
Yeah,
this is where you
wow.
can come here and take pictures and look out. Sometimes wintertime, the water is frozen.
Oh yeah, can imagine.
It's frozen.
I can
So when
imagine.
you look out, it's all white.
But the water is clear though.
Yes.
So I don't see why anyone won't go in the water unless something is polluted in the water.
They say over the years they say no swimming.
No swimming, so maybe something is polluted in the water, that's why. This water you cannot take it on your skin.
I want to show you. We have a Muslim. A mosque.
The mosque, right? You have mosque, you have temple. I think mosque is for Muslim, temple is for Sikh.
How you feel with the walking?
Me? Me?
Some morning when I come out, I'm wondering if I'll be able to make it back.
Me? I'm a walkathon.
I know.
I'm energetic so much. Remember I'm on them Yaya products.
Yes.
Remember I'm on the Yaya products, so
It
I'm
feels
here.
here.
Yeah, it
When
builds
I come
you.
down, I'd like to come in.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
Big up yourself, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so you know I have to come here with my winter products them from yeah. You know I make sure so I'm secure.
No, you won't. You're not gonna
Have
get
the
sick. You
skincare.
have your fruits and
Yeah.
take
I listen,
your
I want to
vitamin.
take good care of me to see my breakfast.
You don't get breakfast yet.
No, I get something, it's pep up then. I get a pep up. You know, with all my fruits and everything. I was like, this is for me, like, yeah.
This is what me like too.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, you spoil me. She's like, you deserve it. You know, all those people that you're helping,
Yes.
you know, you need to get back those treatments.
Take this tree.
See this tree, look at this tree.
Just stand behind it.
But you know, by the time the winter creeps in, all them leaf is gone.
It soon fall off.
Soon fall off. That look like the Canada leaf.
Yes.
Is that the Canada leaf, right?
Maple leaf.
What's the name of it?
The maple leaf.
Maple leaf. So this
See
is,
the bus?
yeah.
I'm living right across from a mall.
Okay, shopping mall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they used to have top brands, but after COVID, lots of them moved. And the bus terminal is over there.
So this is called Canada Goose Boulevard.
Yeah.
So this is where the goose them is, downtown goose them.
As I told you before, this is a farm. Nothing wasn't built here.
Oh, it was a farmland.
I watched my house built. I was outside by hickory bush,
Yeah.
and I drove past it and I said, different, and I, Italian, went and looked at it when they were building it.
Yeah.
And I said, we can't afford it.
This is the mosque. Mosque right here. Mosque. And I noticed down here the vehicles them is not so much monstrous as in America.
No.
It's
And
not
they
so.
drive with respect.
Yeah.
People wait on people. People give people glides.
Yeah.
Nobody pushing no one off.
Yeah, guys, you down here the cars them is not so monstrous like in America. You see them big vehicles and everything.
The Elon Musk.
The Tesla.
Yes, but
Yeah.
not the small one, and the one that look like warship.
Okay.
You don't get.
So here is the mosque
Yeah.
as well too. Here at the boulevard. Well, yeah. Here this area is very quiet.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
not much excitement. You know, so we have to head
You're
downtown.
Like big lady suburb.
Yes. So I'm gonna head downtown today. I'm gonna take the bus. Like what you said, you're gonna get me to the bus station, and then from there, and then I can take the bus. Yeah. I want to get that experience, you know.
I was planning on doing that with you too.
Yeah.
Too? You know,
What the tower?
the
Yeah, that's the 5G.
5G.
That's the 5G tower over there.
And
The
you know
radiation.
when they put them up?
Yeah, I mean 2020. COVID
Look at
time.
that tree already it is.
Yeah.
The water that you see going down to the lake is coming from all the way over
Yeah.
that side.
So those who was going up in the COVID time,
when
and
we were
everyone
all
was saying that,
asleep.
look, see there.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah, and it all go up when you're sleeping. When you
we're
wake up,
sleeping,
you're like,
yes. See, nobody look like monsters.
Can you imagine, you went to sleep, and when you wake up, you're seeing some eye
I
towers.
think you can walk down this side. But
Oh,
you
to get
walk
back?
on the main.
To get back,
This is
right?
Dixie. It's like how you'd have Mississauga Road, Winston, Churchill, Dixie.
Yeah.
If you go downtown and you're coming back by here, someone is driving you,
Yeah.
depends on the direction. You could say you pass Dixie and then you come to
Okay, so guys, so we're in Dixie.
Great Lake. I'm on Lake off Great Lake.
Yeah.
And I'm at Seaside by the sea. You feel
By
the
the
breeze,
sea.
so it feels so different.
Yeah.
So all the way that goes up to north. Lots of farmland that side. And this is peak time now for traffic.
What time is it? Don't take out my watch.
It's after 4.
Okay.
I think it's
So how hectic is the traffic here?
it's a killer.
It's a killer.
But they drive with respect. 410.
Okay.
And walking that way, you'll notice the draft is the wind is getting a little stronger.
That's coming from the sea,
Yeah.
right?
People will recognize it, you know.
Yeah.
But they won't say anything.
You know, in Auntie Watkins, we thank her so much, you know, for hosting me, having me here. Trust me, the love is so real. You know, I thank all you guys so much for the love and the kind support. You know, so you know, after here I'm gonna enjoy myself, you know, make it worthwhile. You know,
Take a picture on one of those streets.
These ones, right?
Go stand with your back. Well, bless the Lord, God, bless the Lord, bless the Lord. So, I finally reached downtown. Yeah, so, I don't know, my battery was dead, so I got some charge, so I'm finally here downtown, and I'm here with,
Hi, Shantel. How's everyone doing?
so this is Shantel, one of my subscribers, my excellent family. I was saying hi to your mom and your dad as well.
Oh yes, hi mom, hi dad.
What's the name?
Carlene and Patrick.
Yeah, Carlene and Patrick, big up yourself, you know, because they're one of my #1 viewers also here in Canada. And also their daughter, Shantel.
Yeah.
You know, so guys, you can follow Shantel as well also on her Instagram, you know, tell them social media.
It's Divine Feminine, DVNEFBMI9. Yeah.
Oh, so it's feminine. Why feminine?
Because I am a 9 ether being. We are 9 ether beings, so yes.
Oh.
Divine feminine energy.
So I guess she's spiritual on that side as well, the guys, you know, so you can go and check it out. You know, go and check her out as well. So I'm here in downtown Toronto, so I'm gonna get a SIM card because I don't know what's wrong with my American SIM card. It's not working anymore, so I guess I'm gonna get a different SIM card for the time that I'm here. You know, and so guys, a lot of people been calling me and telling me say I need to head to Niagara Falls. I'm definitely gonna head there. You know, I don't know which day yet, but I'm definitely going to head there. So I'm gonna experience in the UK we call it tram, right? And what you call it here?
We call it streetcar.
Or they call it streetcar. So in the UK we call it tram. You know, that electric bus, right? Yes. So we're literally waiting on one. We're gonna head down into town more, you know, and then now I'm gonna get a bus ride, and then I'm gonna get back a Uber back to Brampton. So I'm on the road, guys, I'm on the road. And yes, I know it's a must. I'm gonna link up with Christmas list, you know, when he's back, you know, that's a must, you know, linking up with Christmas list. But boy, Toronto weather, she said woo, she said woo, nippy. And it's windy as well, it's windy as hell, you know. No, but hell is not windy. But yeah, well, it's cool though, you know. Yeah, so the sun is shining, but please don't make the sun trick you. That's one thing. So we are here downtown Toronto, right?
Yes.
And there is a name for this place that we are right now.
So we are currently at Dundas and Gerrard. So this is just right before the heart of downtown, which is Dundas, Yonge and Dundas. that's like the center of it. So we'll be passing by there, and that's actually where you want to show the people what Toronto really looks like. So we'll be there very soon. Yeah.
You're not soon and very soon. Gonna be there, right? I can't believe I never charged my mic. Even my mic, guys, even my mic just died on me, I don't know. I never charge it up. So, why the breeze are blowing wicked? I got gloves. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my gloves right now. You know? The winter is kicking. I not even kicked in as yet. You know, so the only thing is because it's windy. You know, so the wind is blowing. So I'm cool, I'm chill, but she's more cold than me.
It's just the wind. When the wind starts to blow, then it's...
So, but I'm dressed for the weather, so I'm good, you know. She said she used to it. Good. Alright guys, I'm waiting on that truck. Alright. So imagine Shantel is born here and she's crying for the cold.
I could have died.
She born here, she's crying. She said she can adapt. So if she can adapt, when? Alright, now she's crying. You know, but me always smile when people cry and say they're cold, you know. Because they don't really dress for the weather. They just used to the weather, the good and that, you know. When the weather kicks in, all screaming. Yeah, all screaming. The same time when I was in New York, the same thing. I'm used to it. Yeah. When you think you're used to the weather and come out in your thin layers. And I realize when the cold just run through that, you see what time it is. Me, come prepared. Look, I wear my gloves. Peace.
Yes, you were prepared.
Yeah.
Preparation.
Got my gloves, got my woolly hat on, my jacket, my pullover.
And everything.
Yeah, and I got my long john on.
I was about to say,
yeah.
Long John and sweatpants.
So I need to go get some more. So guys, I'm also going to get a SIM card and also a next long john, you know. They call them under sweaters. In the UK we call them long john. So you call it long john over here? Okay, they call it the same. So you guys call it river or lake? That's river or lake? No, it's a lake.
The lake is downtown by Lakeshore.
Alright guys, so we just got off, you know, the tram. I call it tram. Anything you want to call it, you call it. So I'm giving it the UK name, tram. I don't know what you call it in any country where you are and you know it. You know what I call it, tram. So we're here heading into Gerard Square. So I guess this is a mall. So in here now I can get myself a SIM card. And okay, we can go to Walmart to get that as well. So first, get the SIM card. So I have a number where I can call. Turn. So this is Gerard Square. Thank you.
Come up to this phone place.
Tell us why. I can take our Phillips now.
You see a store called Tellus?
Huh?
You saw a store called Tellus?
No, it's right there. It's not a store, it's right at that section here.
Oh, the kiosk.
Yeah.
You want to ask them? Because it's a phone place too.
Yeah.
See how much they sell? And they have Kudo. That's another phone place. Just 2 in 1.
Tell us who this on internet. Only $40 a night. That's what food. Yes, I really need to get myself a SIM card.
I feel like he's gonna be a long time. You wanna look for the store?
Because I've been traveling without any communication.
Just for now.
Just for now. Well, just for today. Just for today. So once I got this, I'm up and running. So I guess my last SIM card get turned off or something, because when I turn it on, it said SOS, save our soul. You know? That's what pops up. It says Akeynote, save our soul. Maybe that's what it was. So I'll get something different for now. So
You may have to go upstairs.
is one here?
This is Bell.
Oh.
I think we're not Bell. I just want something quick.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna have to go upstairs.
Alright then. Alright guys, so this is what we call long johns. So you know, Jamaican, them say you have to know where you talk so sometime. So you have to show them what it look like. But it's not that to go. So this is the bottom part. You know, and this is the top. Probably have to go get the grey if you cannot get any other color. So this is what you wear under your clothes to keep you warm. You know, already got one on, but I just need another. You know, so I probably have to go 2 different color, right?
Probably, because they don't have any dark color tops. So
There you go, kid.
you may have to go with a gray top.
Right.
Sorry, sir, but
Alright then.
so medium gray, right?
Yeah.
Why don't you look at these socks over here?
Yeah.
They're warmer. And they're taller. So maybe you like the ones on the other side better? We also have these ones. I don't know if you like that though. And we have this that matches your long john pants.
Is that tin? Or is
Feels
tin?
like it is, yeah.
It's tin, right?
Yeah.
Tin. Let's see what's here. So I got my SIM card. Yeah. So I got my SIM card set. Now I'm set. You know, I'm a lonely bird right now, so I got connection. You know, so I can call. So I got my number. You know the thing, so I got my number. So I got my underwear. I'm saying underwear.
The long john.
I got the long john. You know, I was warmer. The body warmer. You know, I say body warmer because Jamaican have a way when you say certain things, them say why. You know.
We mean long john.
Yeah, it mean long. I got my body warmer, guys. You know, to keep me extra warm. You know, cause while it's cold. But it's not so bad now. You know, maybe where it was because of the wind and probably to the buildings, everything just kind of fluctuate. So
You're a very lucky man.
I'm a lucky man.
Very lucky.
Oh, it's good to be lucky. You see, that man said I'm a lucky man. It's good to be lucky. It's bad to be bad lucky. So people always say I'm lucky because my favor my mom.
Those are street permits.
Is that the one I'm getting, right? So it's good to, that's the one we're getting?
Let me double check.
So it's good to be lucky, guys. So yeah, so we're set. So we're gonna make one more stop and then I'm gonna head back into Brampton. So we're gonna take a bus closest to the airport and then head into Brampton. Head into Brampton. This is it?
Go up to River Street.
Oh, so we're taking it right there?
Yeah, so we're getting on here. Going up 5 stops and then we can walk to the river.
So we're getting one more tram. Not streetcar. We're getting one more tram on our journey. So this is how you actually cry. You take the bus. You know? Which they call it streetcar. It's not opening as yet.
I don't know why.
Hey!
Thanks for a lucky man too.
Yeah, everyone thinks I'm a lucky man. It's good to be lucky, boy. Look, so you have to literally walk out in the street to get it. You know? And then everything else have to wait behind before. You know, so imagine that. So this causes traffic so as well too. You have to literally wait, even when it's at the traffic light. So you have to wait. Dangerous. Street. You feel the cold?
Yeah.
She said, oh. Hey. The last time she's screaming here for cold, guys. You know? Imagine the last time Empress Niche, Kev Lifestyle was in New Jersey. You know, on the boardwalk, and everyone see me dress warm. I'm like, you know have to dress so warm. You know, the sun out and everything. I'm like, alright then, wait till later. And trust me, I was laughing at everyone when they was freezing.
So this is what you do?
Yeah, they was freezing. I was like, I told you. I'm like bouncing, cruising, and they was like literally speed walking. You know? You want to see Empress Niche and Kev Lifestyle wife, they was walking so fast. I'm like, yeah man, I'm telling you, you know, I know what the weather can be like. You get 5 different weather.
Well, you're from London. So.
Yeah, I'm from London where you get 5 different weather in one day. So what I did, I just put on one that lasts for the 5 different weathers. You know? So the only thing I will do, I'll change layers, take layers off, you know, but nah. So it's good when you experience, you know. So
I'm learning from you.
Learning from me?
Yes.
See?
It's great.
It's great. So I'm gonna find nobody get to defeat me when it come on to getting prepared for the weather. You know? When it come on to these times, it's not about looking too good.
I'm happy you're confident. You're very
course. Of course. Listen, even if it gets colder, I'm ready for that. You know? Even if I should put on 4 different layers at the bottom and the top, I'm ready.
The bottom?
Yeah.
The bottom and the top.
3 different tracksuits, you know? And 2 jumpers, plus a sweater, you know, plus a big jacket, gloves. I'm ready.
Plus you got extra preparation here.
Exactly. And the one thing I'm always ready when it comes on to winter. So when it comes on to winter, I don't really feel the cold because I dress for the weather. But that's why I got no problem.
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, but it's only summer now. Summer beat me bad. Because you can't dress for the summer. Doesn't matter how you have no clothes.
Right.
You mid. You know, skin just sticky. Just, he was really coming back home when he was watching next to him.
Yeah, it was.
I was going in the circles.
I think I was so cold, my body just was taking me back.
Yeah. Like, wow.
But like,
There's some big dogs here. There's a lot of huskies and canines. German Shepherd. But one thing though in Toronto City, well the city, right, there's so many high buildings.
Yeah.
You know, you got lovely views as well too. Lovely view.
Pack it up like sardine.
Pack it up.
Yes, man. Come on.
24, please.
24?
Yes.
Yes. 20? Yes. You know, guys, help her come out because I gotta dash out this elevator, break my neck to get to my.
Where were you stopping at?
I was stopping at 20.
You want to pee that bad?
Eh? Yes. No, I drink a ginger beer to bring down there because last night my nose and then from where I drink the ginger beer, so I went on the street there and everybody, she said, "Oh, people looking." I don't care. I got a stick.
Yeah. You gotta go.
No, but why would I be fear when I can't? 20.
20?
Help her come out here for me.
So you're gonna run there for?
Yeah?
We're both going out.
Okay.
No, but I gotta run there for her, man. I gotta get into my house quickly. So help her coming out.
It's not open. Wait.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Alright, go ahead. Go there, bro.
Help her come out.
Take your time. Help her come on. Come. You know which way you're going?
Yeah, you're right.
You know which way you're going?
You know we go right to see it.
You okay, right?
Yeah, man, you okay.
Alright. Listen, that man wanna go so bad. He wanna be so bad. You should have seen him do this same board stretch. He was literally stretching, wanna go so bad. No. That's one thing, you know, whenever it's cold, it makes you wanna go tired so much time.
Yes.
You know, that's why you have to know how much you drink when you're outside because you wanna go pee like every second. Oh, I was cracking. Sing the intro, right, go?
I don't know the lyrics.
Right, go.
I don't
Give
know.
us something.
I just know. Me no know that my pre-vote. Akeynote.
Oh. Guys, you see the weather makes you change.
That I like that.
Yeah.
How's it go again?
Yeah, step up in a life then, I like that.
Yeah, step up in a life.
Burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a eater. Why you see? The weather makes you change jacket. You can fast.
Remember you teach me.
Alright, you learn. You learn. So now we're gonna head to the mall. Which way we're going? That way?
Just stand up there, but I don't like waiting there.
Guys, here. It's only in this country when I'm crossing road. It's like I cross like I'm stupid. I was like, when I'm looking, I look left, right, I look up, down because you don't know where this car is coming from. You know, because the place is so busy, the road is so wide, so many different lines. Cars can turn left or turn right when it's on red light also. So whenever I'm crossing, I'm like this. I'll up me a look
and down. I'm looking everywhere.
Not up and down.
Yeah, listen, I'm looking up and down. Left, right, north, south, east, and west. Because I don't want to cross and them boy gonna lick me. You know, so prevention better than cure. Because I don't want to sue nobody. So I just keep that away, you know. So basically, guys, what I notice in this city, when you come onto the buses, it's only the...
We're going to the biggest mall in Toronto.
So alright, so right now I'm going to the biggest mall in Toronto, right?
Yes.
So I'm heading to the biggest mall in Toronto. But what I notice about the buses here is only the streetcars that literally drive through these areas. Not the normal buses, but only the streetcars. You know, watch where you go, watch your car, you see? If look left, right, up, down. You have to, yeah. Yeah, so not the regular buses. So I'm going to experience the biggest mall in Toronto. So I guess if you're here in Toronto, you must know the mall that I'm talking about. And if you've never been here to Toronto, I'm going to show you what mall she's talking about. So, you know, I'm on the flow. So I'm on the go. I'm keeping it flowing. I'm keeping it moving. You know, keep vibrating. You know, so it's a nice park. Toronto. Oh, you got a Regent Park over here.
Yeah, this is Regent Park.
So have you Regent Park also in the UK?
Do you?
Yeah. So we have a Regent Park.
So you lot have the Regent Park in UK as well?
Yeah.
Didn't know you lot had that.
Of course, we got that. We got the Regent Park. You got Regent Street also. You know, so I guess most first world country they got the same names, same street.
Usually.
Yeah. And same thing, all of that.
It's like repetition everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. So this street is nothing but high buildings. You know. And the trees them, you know, this is a autumn look. Yeah. It's gonna come right here, right?
Sorry?
Right here?
Yeah.
So big up to your mom again and your daddy.
Big up Miss Colleen and Patrick.
Yeah, they couldn't be here, so the daughter is here showing me around.
Exactly.
You know, showing me the wonderful time.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for sending out the half. You know, so yes, it's nice down here. It's very nice.
Yeah, it's
Very nice. So
and it's just getting started. It's about to get better.
really?
It's about to get better.
Alright, let's see, you know, guys. Pull me up in surprise. We're gonna jump in the river.
We're gonna what?
We're gonna jump in the river.
Sure.
That's where it's gonna get better. So check out the river.
I don't know about that, but I can watch you.
Oh, that's not good enough then. You know, river in the heart, Tom.
We're gonna take a boat across the lake, that's for sure.
Yeah, when?
Next week.
Oh,
When we have time again.
alright then, so yeah, so hopefully next week we can do that, guys, you know. A boat across the lake. And then check out the fall on Niagara Fall. Oops. We gonna party hard. But I don't really see much Jamaican over this side though. How much blacks.
Not
You know? It's more Asian over these sides. More Asian looking
And there's a very high Indian population as well.
over here, right?
Yeah.
Very
Since
good.
I would say after 2020, the Indian population went up really high. I feel like black people have been disappearing ever since. I don't know where they are, but
Probably them gone somewhere else.
probably.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, there, sure. You know what? I'm gonna call Pablo. I've been here, I haven't called Pablo. Pablo know that I've here, so I can't call straight now. I mean, I have service. So I'm gonna call Pablo right now, you know, because the thing set up and I'm running. So
Yeah.
catch you back and I say, call Pablo. There, I'm gonna call him.
Yes, 5.
Alright guys, so we're here at the hot spot.
Yes, let's go in the middle. This is
The nighttime in here is supposed to look
amazing.
amazing, right? Like New York City. Here's like a Times Square.
Yeah, this is the
Yeah, so this is the Canada mini Times Square.
and then this is the biggest mall in Toronto. So let's go.
All right, here. So this is the Toronto Eaton Center. So we'll see what's going on inside. Them say it's the biggest.
Yeah.
Let's see why it's the biggest. Let's see.
Here's the Chinese tour bus.
Oh,
Sightseeing. Well, it's not Chinese, but you usually see Chinese people.
konnichiwa. Ching ching.
Oh, careful.
So they say me look up, left, right, down, you know. Left, right, north, south. Konnichiwa. So guys, this is a really busy area.
Square, Jeff.
Alright, so we're in the building. Oh, you have H&M there. H&M there.
You want to go in there or you just...
H&M.
Yeah.
Oh, let me check over here upon these woolly hats. There's a lot. In here, there's a lot of Chinese, you know.
It's an Asian store.
Asian shows. This one, right?
Asian brand, yeah.
Oh. This is the Asian brand.
Where the hats at?
Hey, look here, upon this jumper only. Nose. The Chinese, them all them price.
It's for men and women?
Yeah, I don't like these one. This one is.
I like these ones. You don't like these?
No, sir.
No?
That not gonna look good on me.
You're kind of wearing similar.
Yeah.
Okay, so... That's all the hats I got. That's the ones that are on the mannequin.
Alright.
Right now, it's perfect. Not too much traffic.
We'll go get something to eat. You want to get something to eat?
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go to the food court, right? We'll go to the food court.
We're on the second floor. We're going down to the ground.
Keep on going down. Keep on going down.
So this whole floor is a food court.
Okay. So welcome to the food court.
Yeah.
Foods are foods. Konnichiwa. Chinese. So over here, Chinese. Casey don't want nothing to eat.
No, right now. I'm probably gonna eat at my mom's house.
Okay. Alright then.
But you can eat. Because I know you're hungry.
The Subway. I will get Subway. I'll get that.
You don't want a better sandwich place?
What's better than
That's
Subway?
like junk food. You don't want
Subway? Vegetables?
that. Just because it's veggie doesn't mean it's healthy.
So what's better? What's better?
Well, I think they have better food, like sandwich places over there, like natural sandwiches and like good bread. That's not real bread, by the way. Even here, the Greek food is amazing.
This is a big food court, bro.
I know, it's the whole floor. It goes all the way down.
Yeah, this is a very big food court. Yeah, this food court is big. Very big. This is one of the biggest food courts I've ever been into. You know, the biggest.
I think I'm gonna come here actually. This looks so good.
Yeah, Greek.
Jimmy the Greek.
Jimmy the Greek. So you got Jimmy the Greek, Keno the Jamaican. Thai Express.
And it ends at McDonald's. We don't want that.
No, I don't want that.
So we can go back. So is Subway?
Okay, so I'm gonna get myself one of those veggie sandwich. It's called veggie patty, you know, at Subways. I always get that whenever I see Subways. That's what I'm gonna get, a veggie patty. You know, not a foot long, but a 6 foot. There's something for the road, no? You know, there's something for the road. Shantel says she's gonna get sushi. She wants sushi. I don't want no sushi. I no sushi. I have veggie patty with a wheat bread. So you got veggie crisp loaded fresh baked bread. Big veggie. Yeah. 6-inch, please. Wheat bread. So I'm having veggie patty.
Cheese and toasted?
No, no cheese. Just toasted. No cheese for me, guys. No cheese.
Next, please.
Lettuce. Can I get some of the avocado as well, please? Yeah. Get some of the avocado. So I got tomato. Get tomato, cucumber. Green pepper. Red onions. Okay, so let me have sweet onions.
Yes.
Onion mustard. And hot sauce.
Hot sauce?
Yes, please.
Chicken teriyaki. Cheese and toasted.
Kimchi,
Chef.
avocado, ginger, some fresh ginger, fermented as well, and some cucumber in there, rice, seaweed, and yeah.
You should have the yin yang.
Oh, and then we topped it with caviar.
Caviar. Oh, she got the yin yang, and I mean got the. So this is me, guys. Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, avocado, red onion, and sweet onion sauce with beans. So then, only 6 food.
Just on the go food.
Yeah.
Simple on the go.
We're on the go right now. Quick stop. No, it's not a pit stop. It's a food stop. If you ever want to try Subway, try the veggie patty. I like it.
Okay, so that's the hat store. It's called Liz. Then there's a Foot Locker.
It's a sports one. It's like a sports store.
Soccer store.
Yeah. Soccer.
You got enough keys?
Yeah.
Where's the adult Foot Locker? I only see kids Foot Locker.
Only kids. Queen Street. Yeah. Alright guys, so we finished our sandwich and the thing. So it's time for me to go hit the train. So I'm in the train station, Queen Street. Gonna hit the train. Which direction we going? Hit the road, Jack. Want to come back no more, no more, no more, no more. So, want to come back no more.
See where we are?
Queen Street. Where we are?
Queen. We could go to Union Station, actually, and then shoot all the way to the west, which would be by the airport, like that way.
So which one will take us?
Because we could go up to Bloor-Young, and then over to Lawrence West and take the bus from there, and then you can catch your taxi, or we can go to Union and just shoot all the way to the west. Because this is like it's an up express train.
Okay.
I think we should go Union so you can experience it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so let's go south. This is south. Anywhere to see?
Wow.
It's packed.
We'll go down more. Look, you want to sit there?
We're gonna be here for a while. we're just going from Queen to Union.
Okay. So I'm getting the experience of the Toronto train. It's not the UK train or the USA train. This is the Toronto train. So let's see how it's traveling. You know, it's like a bus seat same way. You want to sit there? Okay. The fit. She's fit guys, she's fit, she don't want to sit there. She's fit, so get the angle. It's not the fast train, it's the chocolate train. Yeah.
Basically.
So we go to the Union, we get the fast one, right?
Yes.
So we go to the Union and get the fast train. Express.
It's going to cost me maybe $10.
Oh, that's stand clear of the closing doors. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Please mind the gap.
They need to hire you.
Don't you? Please stand clear of the doors. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Where you going?
Next station is King Station. Arriving at King Station.
That's
Doors
less than a
open
minute.
on the right.
It's really close. Train station is really close.
It is.
But that's less than a minute.
Some stops are fast and others are a little further.
Yeah.
So the ones going
Getting off at Union. What?
I knew that was it.
Line 1, North Bourne.
So this is called the airport station.
Oh.
It's actually a really big station.
Line 1, North Bourne.
Yeah, you
I
know
want
when
to say it's the biggest one in Toronto, probably Canada. So you have to do so many different
there's so many black jackets.
to the this way.
Sure.
So it says Up Express that way. Don't forget to take this from me, okay?
Yeah. By the amount of people coming out the train.
There's another hat store here. It's a train station, but there's still stores in here, like a mall. Alright, so we're gonna go that way. You'd enjoy the GO train. It's a double-decker train where you can sit on the roof. That
Is
one.
he vlogging?
Yeah, that'd be really good for
You vlogging?
Sorry?
You vlogging?
Yeah. I'm a YouTuber.
YouTuber like
Yeah.
me too.
Oh,
What's your name?
me too. Pusha. No, I just started
Kino Life in Jamaica.
into I'm a 3D character artist. I'm a 3D character artist.
Oh, your 3D character?
Yeah, I just started to kind of documentary YouTube to introduce the cities and the countries to the world.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I have your Instagram
Yeah.
or YouTube, please?
It's Kino.
Kino.
That's it there. Kino Life. Oh, the next one. It was the second one.
Kino.
Yeah, the second one.
Oh, so cool. Oh, amazing. Can I ask how much? Oh, yeah. Oh, so 72,000 subscribers.
Yeah. That's
Can I
it.
give you $10? Kino, you're so sweet. Made this day.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I just make another young YouTuber. So his YouTube channel called Between Nature? No, Between Cities and Nature. Yeah, so it's very new. Probably have about 18 subscribers. So check him out, give some subscription.
Yeah.
So just get off one train, we're gonna get on the express train now.
Yeah.
You know, gonna take us close to the airport. And then from there now, I'm gonna get an Uber back to Brampton. You know, back home. You know, relax. Journey. Yeah, that's the whole point of this. You know, journey. You know, journey. So I'm on that journey, guys. So we have to explore. Of course, a good journey. Started a bit up and down and everything. So it's a good journey. Wow.
Do you like coffee?
Huh?
Do you like coffee?
Coffee?
Yeah.
No.
You're not a coffee drinker?
No, not a coffee drinker.
It would have been so nice if you liked coffee.
Oh, you want coffee?
I always want coffee.
Oh. Because,
If you like coffee, we could have went to a nice coffee shop and had some nice lattes. Or
okay.
cappuccino.
The dark chocolate that I feed on,
Yeah.
it's like coffee.
Okay.
But it's like, you can Google it, dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate?
Yeah. You can Google it and you see the benefits of it.
I know the benefits of dark chocolate.
So that gave you all the energy you need.
True.
So that's what I did.
But I don't drink coffee for the energy. I actually genuinely like the taste of coffee.
Like, oh, you just like the taste of it. Yeah, it's got a good taste.
Yeah, it depends on what kind of coffee bean you get. Yeah.
It definitely got a good taste. Here we go. So we're getting out the train station
Yes.
to the next. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was inside the same
It
train
is
station.
connected, but
So you have to get
part
out.
of it. You'll see, we're not so much getting out, we're just
Crossing the road.
yeah. Like a little bridge.
Yeah.
Going over the bridge.
Going over the bridge. So it's like the West End, the Times Square. So we have the skywalk. So So train depart in 4 minutes. You see the plane sign.
Probably already there.
Huh?
Probably already there. Train.
Right? Yeah. This Union train station is very big. Very big. You know, and this time is like rush hour for a lot of people coming from work. So you know, within this time the train station is going to be busy, a bit jam-packed. You know, so if you think you're a type who like to be seated, you won't get no seat. So Ooh, go look. Oh, it's not going. It's that guy. I smell coffee. I smell coffee.
You can go to another car. Try to run down there and catch it next door.
Run and run. Run. They're all the same. It's gonna be very hard to find.
Yeah, just
So we have to get two single ones.
I'm good to stand. Do you want to sit?
Yeah. Alright, so we're seated, waiting to head in. Yes, to our destination. So we get a taxi to Brampton. So you're gonna get a taxi from there as well?
No, I'm just gonna take the bus because one bus goes all the way to my parents' house.
Okay.
So when we get to Western Road, you can call your taxi from there, and then I'll jump on the bus. It's just right across the street.
Okay. So she's gonna jump on her bus to get to her home, and then I'm gonna take a taxi to get to where I'm
The
going.
only way that would make sense is if the taxi driver would have to drive in that direction, and then he could drop me. But if he's not going in that direction, then it wouldn't make sense. So I would just take the bus.
Because can you go that direction?
You can, yeah.
Then you can ask him.
I could ask him.
Because you think he will reach mine destination before yours?
No.
So you reach yours before?
Yeah, but I'm just saying he might want to go on the highway, go closer, instead of taking the road all the way, but...
Oh, I understand. So now the train is moving. We depart. That's the train station.
This is CN Tower, right? This is the CN Tower, the biggest building in Canada.
Is it?
This is it. These are right there.
This is
We're
the
literally
biggest.
right next to it, CN Tower.
The CN Tower.
La Tour. Dang, it's just huge.
What's literally what type of tower is that?
So there's a restaurant at the top. It's a rotating.
Oh, is that the one with the glass?
Yeah.
The glass one,
So
right?
yeah, it's a glass elevator, glass floor.
Yeah. That's the one that Aunt Elaine was telling me she's gonna take me to.
Really? Are you scared of heights?
No.
Okay.
So that's where
wow.
Aunt Elaine said she's gonna take me to where the CN Tower,
Interesting.
with the glass floor and everything. I'm like,
And it's there's a rotating restaurant, 360 restaurant at the top.
Yeah.
It continuously turns.
Oh, that's what in the final destination.
Final Destination. Why would you say that?
Of course, you see the movie?
Yes.
So the new one.
I didn't see the new one.
The new one. Watch the new one.
There's a rotating restaurant.
Yeah. And it all went wrong. Everything went down
Oh,
south.
God forbid.
Yes. I saw that in the movie. You know, see it.
That's not good.
It's not good.
Don't
But I
think
saw the
about
movie.
that.
No, I'm not thinking about it. I saw the movie. I saw that restaurant in the movie.
Ooh, that's the double-decker train, the green one, with the rooftop.
So that's where we're going. That would have been nice though, you know, having that experience. You know, the restaurant is moving 360, you know, glass flooring. So I'll be so overlooking all the way down. So, just imagine what the food will taste like. Spinning in your belly. So you call it spinning food in your belly. Yeah. Thank you so much, man, for showing me around. Thank you so much for your time. You know. Yes, thank you. And thank your parents as well. So thank you so much. You know. Mommy and Daddy. I keep on forget their name.
Carlene and Patrick.
Carlene and Patrick.
Yes.
Big up yourself, Carlene and Patrick.
Big up yourself, Carlene and Patrick.
Oh, she was a wonderful host. Yeah. Even though she almost lost. We'll find her way. We'll find her way.
Always find her way.
Imagine we'll find her way. We got some laugh, you know, especially with the man in the elevator. That one piece so bad, you know, because he's been kicking his feet, he's been stamping, and he was rolling with that lady in the wheelchair. And the man said, "Listen, I'm begging you, please pull this woman out because I cannot pull her out. I need to go pee quick." And the man just run leave her.
He said, "Help her out."
Yeah, he was saying, help her out, please, I need to go quick. Man said, I said ginger beer, it's kind of stuff like beer, I need to go.
Yeah, that's a funny guy. Seemed really tough.
Oh yeah, he was funny. I wish you'd have more time with him.
Right?
He makes me laugh.
Oh my goodness.
Because when I enter the building, I start to hear his noise.
Always.
He's the loudest.
You hear him outside.
He's Jamaican, right?
Yes.
You see it till about Jamaican.
You can hear it. You hear him speaking Patois?
Yeah, Jamaican always the loudest, them saying. When you hear loud nice, just look for them, Jamaican. Look about to Talawa.
Right.
You know, small people make a lot of noise. Seriously, a lot of noise. But now, like, I feel hungry now. That subway come like it just went through me for years, come back through me.
Yeah.
Whenever it's cold, you always get hungry quicker. That's one thing for sure. Because the cold will take out everything out your belly. When it's summer, you drink more.
Yeah.
Yeah, winter you eat
Stay
more.
thirsty.
Yeah. So that's why people put on so much weight in winter and lose all the weight in summer. So if your metabolism is fast, you're good. You will survive the winter. But if it's slow, trust me, you're going to be bloated.
Right.
So. Hit the road, Jack.
All these graffiti walls.
Yeah. And you know, you always see that when you're driving on a train, when you're on the train.
Yeah.
Always.
Always.
It's an advertisement for them.
So we literally are taking a train to 2 stops. Straight from downtown to the west end.
Okay.
You see the map right there?
Yeah.
So we were going from Union, and then it's Blur Weston, and we get up there. If you want to go to the airport, you stay on and go to
The
Pearson.
Pearson. But yes, but now I'm not going to the airport so soon. I'm not going to the airport so soon. I only just got here.
Just getting started.
Just getting started. Just getting started. So let's see what everything brings.
What are you doing Saturday?
I might go to Niagara. Might go to Niagara for, and then Christmas list and tap me ask me what am I doing Sunday. So I don't know what plans he had. They have, so let me see what kind of plans.
So then after that, next week.
Early have during the week as well. And then maybe that's what we're gonna call? To get us?
Huh?
To pick us up?
Yeah.
so we're off the train now. You know, off the train. So I'm gonna get a taxi to where I'm staying.
So
Let me get
let me see where there should be taxis around here.
Don't it? That's why
It
it's
should be. I'm just gonna look.
it should be taxi. You just jump in. Cause it's their meter.
In a place like this, it should be.
Yeah.
It's okay. There's none. So what I'll do is call from my phone.
I remember I got minutes now.
There's a cab right there, but I think there's somebody else. Yeah, I know you have your phone working.
Oh, he's got all the sixes.
740-2222.
No, the number that's 905.
No, that's the Brampton. I'm calling a Toronto taxi.
Okay.
Because if you're in Brampton, you have to call Brampton. If you're in Toronto, you have to call Toronto.
Okay. The sun is hot. The sun is warm.
It's good on your skin.
Yeah, right? Yes. Them said the sun kiss. So you see, this is the type of dressing I'm talking about. When the sun kind of gets popping, it does kind of drop your zip a little bit and open up to get some breeze.
Express.
You know, because so it's not so cold. You know, it's not so cold this side. It's warm. I told you, you have to dress like that. So if I want, you can easily take off this. But yeah. Good.
What can it get? What's it first?
Alright guys, so I'm literally on the bus. You know, so I'm getting a bus experience right now. You know, so I'm getting the experience on the bus. You know, heading to Brampton. So I've got an app. They literally tell me all the stuff. I'm going to show you my phone. So you can see that. So I'll show you the stops there and everything. It's the blue line. So today is an adventure for me, you know, because Shantel, she get off early, you know, so I'm gonna take this to from the Morning Star. Now I'm gonna get another bus from there to where I'm going, quick and fast, you know, but I like the experience, you know, so I'm just literally getting the experience of seeing what Canada is like, you know. So I'm heading from Toronto, now heading to Brampton, you know, so good vibes, good thing. So as you can see, the bus is and the traffic is not so bad as well too, you know. The traffic is not really so bad, can't complain, you know, because I was thinking the traffic would have been more, but the traffic is not so bad, so it's okay. It's okay. So I cannot wait to reach back, get a nice warm shower and relax and edit this video, you know, for it to drop tomorrow, which is why you're watching it now. So yeah, so Stay tuned on my journey. Let me show you what I want.
Alright guys, so boy, this is the adventure. So I'm literally off the bus now. So I just call a taxi. I just call a Uber. No, sorry, I just call a taxi to come and pick me up at a random location. You know, because the bus is not going to go exactly to my address. So I was going to get a taxi from here. So I just literally give them a location and tell them exactly where I am. They said 5 minutes. So I'm at Lancaster Avenue now. So I don't know if you're familiar with that name, Lancaster Avenue. Yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. So I just come off the bus. There's the bus there. So I'm at Lancaster Avenue. So they said 5 minutes, so hold on.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.